Bienvenue, messieurs, mesdames. Please allow me to make my opening in English. That's the only French I know. So thank you for coming here. Today, it's our Synology 2015 event. At Synology, we never stop developing something we think are very cool. So there are lots of good ideas and thoughts behind all these features. So we think it might be great to organize a conference, some face-to-face conference like what we did today, to share our thoughts and our ideas with you. That's why we make this event. This year, we decided to make it a very big event. So it's a global event. We host the event at 17 cities in 14 countries. And of course, and as usual, Paris is always our choice. That's why we are here tonight. Before we start talking about something new, something we want to present to you, I will be happy to share two figures with you. I think you might be interested in this. It's about our current status. First of all, it's a Synology on Google Trend. Google Trend is an interesting tool. I think it's good to show you the market interest to a keyword implies a brand. This is the chart for French market. As you can see that, the chart goes up and down because of some seasons issue, but overall the trend is definitely going up. And we expect it will hit a record-breaking high by the end of this year. And this is not just a market trend, it somehow reflects ourselves because I can see our sales numbers. So I think you can imagine our sales also grows quite well in the past 5 years. The second thing is about an interesting number I just received recently. This number makes me quite excited because we have sold 2 million NAS servers since 2010. I know we have some guests from telecom companies today, so 2 million might not be a crazy number like smartphone sales, but for us it means a lot because considering we are selling NAS servers, yes, it's a server, so it's something significant. It proves us that NAS is a trend to the market, and we will continue to follow this trend. Now let's go to something new we are going to share with you. We are going to talk about many new features and also some new products today. Among those features and products, I would like to make 4 highlights. I think some of you know that in Synology we have a wide range of products. We sell very small form factor product for 1 hard drive and it's for home users. We also have something very big. It's a 100 terabyte scale solution. Our users always ask me, is there any common thing behind this wide range of products? Yes, there is. It's cloud. We design our cloud to be private cloud, to be our users' cloud for home users and also for small and medium-sized business. Be your cloud. That's one of our major visions. For enterprise, we will focus on behind their cloud because they might have their own huge application, huge cloud solution. We want to focus on being a trustworthy storage infrastructure. And tonight you are going to see many things linked to these 2 big visions. For Be Your Cloud, the first thing I want to talk is hybrid cloud. At Synology, we believe hybrid cloud is the right cloud model for all the users. So we, as a private cloud solution provider, we will show you some new features to enrich your private cloud experience. But in the meantime, we don't want to deny the importance of public cloud. It's very important to have public cloud. I myself use public cloud a lot. So we also want to show you how our user can easily move their data between our private cloud and any public cloud they would like to go. The second thing is about security. Once you expose your server to internet, security issues will always follow you. We are aware of that. And in DSM 5.1, we are going to show you many things to help our user to secure their data, to protect their data. Security is always the promise to our user from Synology. For behind your cloud, to deliver the best performance to drive an enterprise cloud application, performance is something never can be compromised. So tonight you will see some performance improvement for both general storage and also for virtualization support. And the very last thing is a complete backup and recovery. So I'm not talking about just software. I believe you also see some hardware outside. That's our mission. To have a quality product is just something very basic. For enterprise to behind their cloud, we think it's very important to have a complete backup, redundant, and disaster recovery solution. And that's something we are going to share with you tonight. Now I think it's time to go through the details. Let me welcome our product manager, Derren, for the first session. Please welcome Derren.